Welcome to Tech Tips. This is the show that keeps your vehicle running smoothly and safely. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that is often overlooked, but is absolutely critical: tire maintenance. Now, the tires are important because that is the only thing between you and the road. So let's dive in. Tire maintenance is critical for several reasons: safety, cost savings, fuel efficiency, DOT compliance, and extending the lifespan of your tires. Neglecting your tires can lead to costly repairs, dangerous situations, and even fines. But don't worry, we've got a simple way to remember how to keep your tires in top shape. AIM. AIM stands for alignment, inflation, and matching. So let's break each one of them down so you'll have confidence when you hit the road. First up is alignment. Your tires will actually talk to you and let you know when something is wrong. Uneven or irregular wear could mean worn out components like wheel bearings, tie rod, or shocks, or that your alignment is off. If your tires are wearing on the edges or at angles, it is time to have your alignment checked. Misalignment could be a very serious issue. So make sure that you inspect your tires before each trip and have your alignment checked at least every 100,000 miles. Remember to always seek professional help to have major components replaced or your alignment adjusted. Next, let's talk about inflation. Proper tire pressure is essential for safety, handling, braking, and stability. It also extends tire life, improves fuel economy, and reduces the risk of blowouts. Make sure you check your tire air pressure before each trip, but always check them when they're cold. A hot tire will always give off a false reading. Always adjust your tire air pressure to manufacturer's recommended pressures. Believe me, when you do this, your wallet and your tires will thank you. Finally, matching. This is critical for safety, stability, and tire longevity. Mismatched tires can cause uneven wear, reduce braking, and even damage to your suspension and drivetrain. Make sure that the brand name and the tread design are the same. If not, this could cause serious issues. Different brands have different sidewall flex, which can cause issues. Also, ensure the tread depth is consistent. A new tire is larger in diameter than a worn one. And even 1/4 inch difference can cause one tire to slide and wear faster. And don't forget, maintain the same air pressure in both dual tires to avoid uneven wear. One last thing: DOT compliance. To stay legal and safe, your steer tires must have at least 4 seconds of tread at their lowest point, and your drive tires must have at least 2 seconds. So keep a tread depth gauge handy. It will save you a lot of problems and headaches in the future. Make sure you check it in 3 separate places. Remember, tire maintenance is not just about keeping your truck on the road, but it's about savings, safety, and peace of mind. So aim to be successful. Alignment, inflation, and matching.